The British Swim Spas range offer a model to suit every individual or family, offering endless health benefits and family fun that can be achieved with fitness, massage therapy and swimming, right from the comfort of your own home and ready when you are. British Swim Spas offer the option of either a 4 or 5 metre single swim lane with steps into the spa perfect for access in and out and a depth of over 1.5 metres, something that sets the British Swim Spa models apart from many others. There are 3 different swim options for both models. These are designed to appeal to a range of swimming abilities. The Pro option offers 4 strong swim jets for swimmers who want to enjoy a relaxing swim. The Pro Plus model still has 4 swim jets but has the addition of 2 levitator jets in the sides of the swim lane to help keep you afloat when swimming. It also offers more hydrotherapy benefits with 2 stand-up massage zones, a cool-down area with massage jets offering an invigorating massage after your workout, and it comes complete with swim and exercise equipment including a swim tether and row bars, ideal for the more advanced swimmers and keen gym goers. The turbine model is the one shown in the video and is the ultimate swim machine. It offers a non-turbulent swim with double turbine technology for the best swim experience. It has 8 swim settings, perfect for competitive swimmers and interval training, offering a rigorous fitness swim routine and the ideal aquatic exercise centre. The turbine model is also available with the Smart Swim Watch option, so you can control the swim speed while swimming. It also comes standard with levitator jets, stand-up jet zones and hydrotherapy massage areas, as well as the exercise swim equipment. As well as the single chamber options, British Swim Spas offer dual temperature models with a range of different hot tub options on the end of the swim spa, so you can enjoy a relaxing soak in warm water and exercise in cooler water. Contact us to find out more information. We offer free wet tests, home surveys, competitive pricing, a 10-year guarantee and a range of finance options.